trillions of ordinary atoms conspire miraculously to organize themselves into thinking, breathing, living human beings. But woven into the simplest law of nature is the power to be unpredictable. The same laws that create human beings can turn chaotic, bringing a violent disorder to life.
How do we counter this disorder? How do we ensure that life, every form of life across the globe, continues to consistently excel and constantly evolve? We look for answers in the world of medicines in order to serve the society. Welcome to Indoco.
The Indoco story embraces constant change for a better future. Starting from a small facility to now having world-class manufacturing facilities and state-of-the-art R&D center with unparalleled brand loyalty for its products and ranking within the first 30 in the Indian pharmaceutical industry. Indoco has emerged in India as well as globally as a pharmaceutical company to be reckoned with. The company is proud of its performance-driven team of 4,000 employees, which includes over 200 scientists and a sales force of over 2,000. Indoco's ultra-modern R&D center is spread over an area of 100,000 square feet at Rabale, Navi Mumbai. Our R&D efforts are translated into the manufacturing of APIs and finished dosage forms. Indoco manufactures oral solids, liquid orals, semi-solids, injectables and ophthalmics at Goa and Baddi facilities, which have been approved by various regulatory authorities including UK MHRA, US FDA, MCC South Africa, Anvisa Brazil and TGA Australia. The manufacturing facility at Aurangabad in Maharashtra caters to emerging markets and has approvals from regulatory authorities including WHO GMP, NDA Uganda, TFDA Tanzania, SBD Yemen, MOH Ukraine, PPB Kenya and FDB Ghana. Indoco manufactures APIs and intermediates and has a number of drug master files and certificates of suitability. AnaCipher is a new initiative of Indoco, which provides high-tech analytical services backed by strong technical documentation and efficient project management. Indoco is leveraging its strong R&D base, manufacturing skills, vertical integration into APIs and allied service capabilities to take on the challenges, while continuing to constantly grow and consistently excel. Ethically strong and prescription-driven, Indoco generates more than 50 million prescriptions annually as per IMS and reaches over 300,000 doctors across India.
The Indian pharmaceutical industry is one of the great success stories of the Indian economy. With the potential to grow at twice GDP rates, it has a great promise for the future. There seems to be a renewed interest with focus on marketing in Tier 3 towns and rural areas. In fact, there is a double-digit growth across almost all therapy areas, and new therapies such as the anti-diabetics, cardiovascular, and anti-cancer molecules seem to be driving the growth across the industry.
Indoco's marketing business has 8 divisions catering to different therapy areas. Indoco, Spade, Warren, Spera, Excel, Extend, Eterna, Indoco C&E. The company has a strong brand portfolio with big brands like Febrex Plus, Cyclopam, Sensodent, ATM, Tuspel Plus, Sensoform, Oxypod, Globin G, Cital, and some of the recent successes like MCBM, Glycheck, Methical, and Omega Check.
Having gained a stronghold in the Indian market, it was the dream of our chairman and my father, Mr. Suresh Kare, that products manufactured at Indoco be sold all over the world. This dream is on way to being a reality. Today, products manufactured at Indoco are available and sold across 55 countries of the world, including some of the highly regulated markets of United States, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa.
Today, Indoco has an impressive list of international customers and long-term alliances with companies like Watson USA, Aspen South Africa and Perigo UK, to name just a few. The company has achieved a reputation of being a reliable manufacturer and research-based service provider for companies across the globe. Indoco's focus will be on novel drug delivery systems and ophthalmics. Submission of dossiers and new registrations will continue to drive the organization's growth.
Strategic leadership coupled with excellence in execution are going to be responsible for taking Indoco to greater heights of achievement. The growth of the organization, therefore, will largely depend on continuous development of its people. It is with this in mind and in order to create a culture of knowledge sharing and learning that Indoco's management development program for achieving competitive excellence, IMPACT, has been instituted. With one foot firmly entrenched in the fast-growing Indian pharma market and the other in the vast international market, Indoco is today beautifully poised to take off for the future.